Blustery showers across the UK today and the outlook remains unsettled. I'll have all the details of that and more coming up on Good Morning Britain.
Thursday,
to that 165 miles an hour. Another thing is the computer models actually got the forecast wrong. They weren't forecasting even a hurricane to make landfall. They're just forecasting for a storm to make landfall. And it was rapid intensification because the water was so warm and the atmosphere is so warm. So now projections for climate change means these Category 4 or 5 storms become much more likely and also harder to predict. And weather-wise for us, it just remains unsettled, autumnal, the sort of weather we expect for this time of year. Initially, fog and misty conditions like we had yesterday will slowly clear, and then we have further bands of rain or showers. So here's the detail. First of all, it's worth pointing out we have a very small weather warning across the northeast of Scotland. This is the area we had the red warning last week, so further rain here. Good morning to you. We've had a pretty unsettled week of weather. Well, it's been fairly mixed. It's half term, but if you still have some outdoor plans, there's still a fair bit of dry weather to be enjoyed, but umbrellas at the ready as we head through the next few days. Here's what's happening for today. We have foggy, misty conditions that'll be slow to clear, similar to that we had yesterday. A band of rain around, and then for many of us, around about 16. So let's see how things pan out as we head through the next 7 days. So we divide the country in half, and it's pretty much Leeds northwards that is north. So Scotland, Northern Ireland, the far north of England. And we look at our temperatures, and they sit below average as we head through the rest of the week and into next week, with a bit of a dip by next Tuesday. Percentage chance of rainfall across the north of the UK. How likely we are to see wet weather? Well, we have the rain around today, but that's through eastern areas. Tomorrow is more one of sunshine and showers, and the showery theme continues through the weekend. They look pretty heavy, but then it turns dry for the start of next week. Fortunes further south for England and Wales for the next 7 days. Well, again, looking at our temperatures, they have been above average, but they're average or maybe a little below as we head into next week. Percentage chance of rainfall, well, it's not a washout, but it's hit and miss. So today we have the rain, but mostly through eastern areas with some showers around. Showers into the weekend that turn heavier and more frequent through Monday and Tuesday. But things turning a little bit drier as we head into the middle of next week. A mixed bag. There is some sunshine, but there is also some rain around as well. But when the sun comes out, it will feel pleasantly warm, but mist and fog to contend with first of all. Here's how it looks. We have a warning still through northeastern parts of Scotland. That's where we had the red warning last week, so further rain here, not welcome news. The latest satellite shows cloudy skies and a band of rain. Good morning to you. Today's weather remains mixed and unsettled like it has for the last few days. First, mist and fog will clear, then we have a band of rain moving north, and then when the sunshine comes out, there's the risk of showers. So at the moment, we have just one weather warning in force for eastern Scotland. More rain here, not welcome news. This is where we had the red warning last week. Here's our cloudy. Good morning to you. The weather has been so mixed. For those who have half-term plans and want to know if you can get out and about, it remains mixed. But in between the spells of rain, there will be some chances and promise of sunshine. But this is low pressure. This is what we have with us. And when you have low pressure, it means wet and windy conditions. It's almost like being in a washing machine that spins round and round and round all these weather fronts. And the closer together these white lines, the isobars, the windier it is, and things are set to turn windier as we head into the weekend. For today, it's a lot like yesterday, in as much as there's some fog that will slowly clear. Then we have a band of rain moving across the country, and then the sunshine comes out and there's showers. So there is a lot going on, and that is just one day. Worth pointing out, one weather warning in force today across eastern areas of Scotland. This is the exact area that had the red warning last week. So further rainfall, up to 50 or 70 millimetres, brings the risk of further disruption, so worth bearing in mind. Here's how it looks this morning. The latest satellite shows a lot of cloud, and with cloudy skies, it means it's